Hi, it's Anne.
And Lori.
And our tiny hands.
So today's tiny hand challenge, we are doing sugar cookie decorating. And basically, we're professional bakers, so this is gonna go brilliantly. All right, so I have my awesome icing bags. This is gonna, oh gosh, okay, this is already tricky. All right, I'm gonna start with my snowflake.
You're gonna start with your snowflake? I'm gonna start with my octopus.
So we have royal icing, and the idea is, I'm sure you've all seen these very, oh my gosh, I can't even squish this. Ah! Oh! Hold on, it's gonna be okay.
My octopus purple.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm gonna make
Okay.
my octopus purple.
Okay. All the videos make this look very easy on Facebook.
Right?
Which are the
This is lies.
It is actually easy. You might just not be able to get it.
Honestly?
I don't have the strength. My tiny hands are not strong enough for this.
It's gonna look beautiful. So you can do this around like the holidays, which are probably, like, or just sort of winter if you're just feeling sick. Oh gosh, hold on.
Oh god, I'm gonna lose a hand. I'm gonna lose a hand.
My hand keeps popping up. Mine too. Maybe we just need to grip it. Okay. All right.
Okay.
We're back in business.
Okay, and we're
Mine
back.
is looking beautiful. I don't know what yours is looking like, but mine is gorgeous.
Mine is amazing. There's definitely a lot of frosting on it.
I think that I am considering a new career move because this looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm living for this. Gosh, actually, I mean,
much better grip.
It's not bad.
this isn't bad. This isn't bad. And now I think I'm gonna,
Cookie I've ever seen
it's not the worst. I mean, it looks like maybe something I would have successfully done with my regular hands.
Oh gosh.
Well, just wait until you get to the octopus. The octopus is much harder.
I love this. This is called filigree.
Aren't you fancy?
It's mostly just compensating for the fact that this is not going where I want it to. So we're pretending this is intentional.
And naming it a fancy sounding name. That's how you know it's real.
Yes. Nobody questions. Nobody questions it.
So I definitely feel like I wanted to fill in this entire cookie, and I'm like, this is not happening.
That's what I'm doing.
This is not
My
happening.
filigree.
Change your game plan.
This is like, there we go. There we go.
You can just use your tiny hand to
Yeah.
smear it.
I'm just gonna just get my tiny hand all dirty.
Then just lick it off.
Oh no, I did get my tiny hand dirty.
Gross. Okay, mine is not looking terrible. I don't hate what's happening on mine. So, I mean,
mine could be worse.
this is just royal icing, which is really easy to make. We're just going to give you some tutorials as
Especially
well.
when you buy it from the store like we did.
Yes. I wasn't going to say that.
Stop buying her.
Okay, actually, you know?
gosh.
How
did you? Oh, look at this! I lost my
Now
hand
you can
again.
just gently tap your cookie to get all the air bubbles out. And just ignore that little splooch on your hand. It's going to happen. Just wipe that on that paper. And then we're going to get some sparkle darkles here. I don't know what that word was.
I'm gonna give up on purple.
We're going to use
You
some
can make
lovely
half purple
shimmery sprinkles.
and half green.
Oh! We're going to use a lot of those sprinkles. Okay, well, my snowflake is looking really nice, actually. Like
My
really
octopus is
feeling-
also looking amazing.
Is it though?
It is not. It is like there's actually. Did you
There's
hear?
also sprinkles
Did
on
you
it.
hear about the new squiggly octopus that they discovered in the ocean?
Design.
You put some sprinkles on me.
Half purple. That's what's important about that new octopus.
It's half purple.
Yep, that's what she's using.
It's half purple and it's also half green
Okay.
and covered in sprinkles from my
Bam.
sleeve.
Oh gosh, that didn't say on there. Okay,
And covered
getting
in sprinkles from my
bam.
sleeve.
Oh gosh, that didn't say on there. This is honestly, I don't hate this. I hope it tastes delicious. That's the most important thing, right? Right. Whoops.
I hear that it tastes better when you make it with tiny hands.
That is a very
That's true. It does.
Because more effort and more love had to go into it,
Oh
so.
my gosh, the hole in this is so tiny. It matches my tiny hands, but it's making it very difficult to actually get the icing out.
Bite it.
Seems like a terrible idea.
Seems like the best solution.
I'm gonna give up on the green. The green is not going to work.
Oh my. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is oh gosh. Okay. We've got 2 more chances left with these guys because I cannot get them. Oh, well, we're done. Oh, dang. Okay, we're down to 1 chance with this sprinkle ball. I don't know what to call this. Sprinkle ball. This blue sprinkle ball.
Sorry. I'm very, very focused right now.
It's okay because you should be.
I'm laser
You're losing,
focused.
so,
I'm doing a terrible
I'm
job.
gonna make,
We definitely should have done the same cookie at the same time.
probably.
Mistakes were made.
Now, Laura's probably just
I was the one that told you my octopus was
I
ready.
just need a massage. This was hilarious. Oh gosh. Make sure it's all squishy. Not.
I feel like now you're just showing off.
With my filigree in my tongue.
I can't even like pick up the frosting.
Ooh. I mean, I don't think my
Oh, this is
octopus is gonna win.
this is much better with the bigger hole in the bag. This is much easier.
almost like things are easier when they're not tiny.
Right? Weird.
Hasn't been my experience so far. But we just gingerly pick that up. I just want a little bit more green right there on the cabeza area of the octopus. I want to know what yours is. Oh, actually, it's coming together.
It's coming together. The funny thing is we're saying it's coming together, but I'm like, I'm done with this thing.
It's like a slime food monster.
I'm done. I'm gonna try to put eyes on it, so this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. I feel like, I don't know. I don't know what I was going to say.
That one's better than I expected.
Right? I thought so too. Watch me mess up this one horribly, though.
You should have just done a one-eyed googly.
Like a googly monster?
Like
Well, it might end up being a one-eyed googly monster if I can't get this one on.
That's a thing, I'm sure.
See?
Yeah.
The first one was deceptively easy.
It's just it gave you enough confidence to fail
Right.
the next time.
Success!
Woohoo!
He's beautiful.
All right, Lori's lovely sparkly snowflake,
Gorgeous. And the
really purple octopus.
Yeah, he's a cycloptopus, and he's supposed to look like that. So that's
And snowflake.
Harsh!
No, I was trying to remember the word for like a jogger octopus.
He is a jogger octopus.
Yep.
A jogtopus,
A jogtopus.
if you will.
Cycloptopus.
All right, you guys tell us who won.
All right, well, that was our wildly successful tiny hand challenge.
Like, we're gonna be on the Food
High
Network
five.
anytime now. High five.
High five. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and now
Now, what do you do after you decorate a cookie?
we eat it.
We eat it.
Mm.
It looks so proper. I know, right? That was not as difficult as I thought it would be.
Have fun.